Today, we're going to be talking about an essential oil that can help you relax and unwind after a long day. It's called Stress Away Essential Oil. Stress Away Essential Oil is a blend of copaiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, acacia, and lavender essential oils. This blend has a calming and soothing effect on the mind and body, making it the perfect choice for those who need to distress. So, how does Stress Away Essential Oil work? The Copaiba essential oil in this blend is known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, promote better sleep, and improve mood. Lime essential oil is uplifting and energizing, making it a great choice for those who feel tired and run down. It can also help improve mental clarity and focus. Cedarwood essential oil has a warm and comforting aroma that can help soothe the mind and promote relaxation. It can also help relieve tension and ease stress-related headaches. Vanilla essential oil has a sweet and calming scent that can help reduce anxiety and promote feelings of relaxation and contentment. Acacia essential oil is known for its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. It can also help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Lavender essential oil is one of the most popular essential oils for relaxation. It has a calming effect on the mind and body, making it the perfect choice for those who need to unwind after a long day. So, how can you use Stress Away essential oil? There are many ways to use this essential oil blend. You can add a few drops to your diffuser and enjoy the calming aroma throughout your home. You can also add a few drops to your bathwater for a relaxing soak. You can even apply a drop or two to your wrists or temples for an on-the-go stress relief. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to reduce stress and promote relaxation, Stress Away essential oil is definitely worth trying. So, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.